Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'een. Welcome to Islamic Center Medford-Coram. This brief video is to show you the progress that we have made in the past 2 weeks with drywells in the parking lot. Alhamdulillah, almost 90% of the drywells have been installed along with drainage pipes. This could not have been possible without the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, your sincere supplications and continuous generous support. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it from all of you. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen. If you would like to make a donation, or you can visit our website www.medfordislamiccenter.com, or you can PayPal or Zelle by sending your donations at imam@medfordislamiccenter.com. Or if you'd like to send a check or money order payable to Islamic Center Medford-Coram or Masjid Al-Muwahhideen at 15 Lee Lane, Medford, New York 11763. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept your donations, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our efforts to establish this house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala showers mercy and blessings upon all of us. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.